With more than 400,000 acres dedicated to walnut growing, California is now the largest walnut producer in the United States, contributing more than 680,000 tons each year. Each walnut's journey begins not on the shelves of supermarkets, but deep in the fertile soil of these vast orchards. But what exactly makes a walnut so delicious, crunchy, and full of flavor? Discover California's fascinating walnut growing and processing industry in the video below. The life cycle of the walnut begins long before harvest in mid-September. The process begins with the sowing of walnut seeds in moist soil, carefully selected and treated to ensure optimal germination. These seeds are initially sown in nursery trays filled with nutrient-rich soil. Under closely monitored conditions, the seeds germinate into seedlings, gradually developing strong roots and stems. Once hardy enough to withstand outdoor conditions, the young walnut trees are transplanted into orchards, where they mature over many years into large, productive trees. These orchards are meticulously planned, with trees planted in perfectly aligned rows to maximize space and exposure to sunlight. Walnut trees take several years to mature, and during this time, farmers invest in regular care, including irrigation, soil enrichment, pruning, and pest control to ensure healthy growth and high yields in the future. This long-term investment pays off, as mature trees can produce walnuts for decades, providing a sustainable and profitable model of farming. In early fall, walnuts enter their peak ripening stage when the green outer shell begins to crack, revealing the hard shell inside. This is also when the harvest season officially begins. Nowadays, instead of picking by hand as in the past, farmers use mechanical tree shakers. They hug the trunk or large branches and shake gently. In just 5 to 10 seconds, ripe walnuts fall like rain, covering the ground. The shaking technology is custom installed to ensure both harvesting efficiency and protecting the trees from damage. After After the walnuts have fallen, mechanical sweepers and blowers are used to gather the walnuts into neat rows. Specialized harvesters then collect the walnuts into large containers or trailers. These containers are then loaded onto large transport trucks, ready for the next stage of processing. At the processing plant, walnuts are transferred to large screens that allow dirt and small debris to fall out, while retaining the nuts for further cleaning. A conveyor system lifts the walnuts through a series of automated stages, each designed to improve efficiency and maintain a constant flow. The first step in the processing facility is a thorough washing, using industrial machinery to remove any remaining dirt and debris. After the initial cleaning, the walnuts are sprayed with high-pressure water from all angles, ensuring they are free of any contaminants left over from the harvest. Next, the walnuts are put into a drying system with strictly controlled temperature, time, and humidity to ensure optimal quality. This process helps to extend the shelf life, maintain the nutritional value, natural flavor of the nuts, and prevent mold during storage and transportation. After drying, the nuts are temporarily packaged and sent to specialized processing plants for further processing steps. At the processing plants, walnuts undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet the highest standards before reaching consumers. Automatic sorting equipment such as screens and rollers are used to sort nuts by size and weight, allowing large volumes to be processed quickly and with great precision. Qualified nuts are then passed through manual inspection by experienced workers who remove cracked, damaged, or defective products that cannot be detected by machine. The combination of modern technology and human skills ensures that only the best nuts reach consumers. For shelled walnuts intended for snacking, the nuts are passed through a mechanical sheller. These devices are designed to apply just enough pressure to break the hard shell without damaging the nut inside. The mixture of shell and nutmeg is then subjected to airflow, vibration, and screening to separate the edible portion from the shell fragments. This is followed by optical sorting and manual inspection to ensure that only the finest nuts make it into the final packaging. Depending on the market, packaging can vary from vacuum bags for retail customers to large containers for bulk distribution. High-speed machinery will package, seal, and label each package, ensuring uniformity and hygiene throughout the process. The packaged products are then transported to the warehouse by self-propelled carts or forklifts, where they are stored and sorted for seamless distribution. If you found this journey into the wonderful world of walnut farming and processing interesting, don't forget to like the video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite foods are grown and brought to you. Your support helps us bring you more interesting farming stories. Thanks for watching.